Welcome back.
We're back for another episode.
Okay, now let's not have the same problem last time where we didn't know where to go from here after a side story.
So
We came from there, went there.
gotta go down here. Don't do what I just did. Don't do what I just did.
Oh. Sorry, I thought we could make it to the. There we go. I guess we go back. Flip away. Yes, because we came from there and went to this. Yeah, so we go straight away.
Take it back, y'all. Let me not get copyrighted.
Ooh, there's a bunch of spikes here. Be careful. Okay. Oh, this is another part where you become nature. Oh. With your essence. Oh no, I guess not. Oh! Oh, you're steering it.
Zoe! I think we're about to get boarded.
Okay.
Get rid of them!
Sorry.
Get them off me!
I'm just fucking chucking him. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to where you were steering. Charge scream. I think you were supposed to scream at the wall then.
Zoe! I think we're about to get boarded. Get rid of them! Yeah! Raining monkey!
Yeah! Just throwing these fucking monkeys. Yeah! I'm getting him, left. Sure, I guess. Why are you asking me? You're steering. Sorry. Go! Oh, ow.
We've been harpooned! They're whaling us! This is not a whale! Try and tell them that!
Move it faster to get these monkeys off. Oh shit. God damn.
Get him away from me!
Get them away from me. They keep coming! Ah, fuck.
Oh, I've lost control! But you're the captain! Brace for impact!
Okay. So, how to do my driving test?
You
Annoying
passed.
monkeys.
Oh, frost.
The first essence of frost.
This is the impending ice age. We're getting closer to the finale.
To the Ice King?
First, the Monkey King.
So there's an Ice King and a Monkey King?
Cool, huh? Let me fill you in on the backstory. So, my sister Ella loves monkeys, and
Like I said, you don't have to explain it to me.
You know what, Mio? I'm getting kind of sick of your attitude.
But none of this makes any sense.
Oh,
That's
like you're some
also
expert writer
makes
now.
sense.
Last time I checked, you're just as unpublished as I am.
I don't care about getting published right now. I just want to get out.
All I'm trying to do is tell you what I wrote so that we can be somewhat prepared.
It's got a point there.
Yeah.
So you're not just getting blindsided.
To whereas like Mio's point,
It's like, I'm just gonna get out of here, you'll find out as you go.
yeah, and just like giving you quick like, oh yeah, it's a crime boss. Get on the
Didn't mean to come
motorcycle.
off
It'll
so
explode.
harsh. It's just that being trapped in here is really getting on my nerves.
I get it.
I mean, it's not like it's
I'm
killing you
freaking
guys,
out
though.
too.
It's killed us many times.
Okay.
I mean, like,
Okay,
their
so
mental psyche
tell me about your
is,
sister
like,
and this Monkey King.
Right. Me and Ella always used to visit the zoo when we were younger. And there was this really old and very lonely chimpanzee that we used to feed. Until one day, they decided to put him down.
No. That must have sucked.
Yeah, it did. So when I wrote this story, I felt compelled to include him.
Okay.
Well,
lead
that
the
told
way
us
then.
nothing. All that told us was you and your sister went to the zoo for a monkey, but it doesn't tell us like, is the Monkey King a good guy? Is he a bad guy?
How did you write this Monkey King then?
It's not like how me and Ella saw him. Rather, how we imagined him in his prime.
Is that a good or a bad thing?
I'd say good.
Hey,
I'll believe it
Oh
when
my
I
god, is
see
it
it.
gonna be some Wukong like?
probably.
It's gonna be jokes so then. We should probably bring some bananas to them. Sorry, I picked up just now. Careful with the piranhas.
Piranha. What are you talking about? Oh, well, when I turn into otter mode, they don't
These
bother me.
monkeys will mess with us, won't they?
Yeah, it can be.
Oh, that's cute. That messed me up.
Tee.
Oh, I'm supposed to grab. Whatever, I still got it.
Was there something over there? I'm always just thinking like, oh, is that like a something? No, I think that's just a wall like over there, cause like
I didn't see
those
nothing.
petals like lead me to believe like, oh, there's like something you can get there by flying.
I didn't see nothing.
I'm just gonna check it out.
Okay.
Okay, no, it's nothing. I keep thinking there will be, but there's not.
Yeah, I think it's just for.
Yeah, just artistic purposes.
Yeah, grab one. You gotta go back through. There you go.
Oops. Or I can do that. Monkey. Ah, now this is for you. And looking back to the footage, before we got to this level, you were making that
Ain't
joke
no
about how
lazy
your
bird.
character
Get
jumps.
that fur cleaned, Mio!
Oh. Wait. Can I go down? Or up? Then?
Maybe don't block the stream.
Huh?
Hold on, I do something here, but I'm trying to figure out what exactly. I climbed up here. Oh, duh, catfish. Thanks. My bad.
Oh, it's supposed to.
You let go. Monkey. And then you come over here.
Whenever you have time, Zoe.
No, we're gamers. We
Yeah,
solve puzzles.
We got lucky we knew how to stand.
Okay. All right.
You think I would have realized that was a wall
Monkeys.
They're setting up traps.
What? I want to walk through this. Oh,
You gotta grab it.
Check it out, Mio.
okay.
Ice Palace.
The Ice King sure seems to have some taste.
Ooh, is this saving the world quest growing on you?
Please.
Shit.
Careful.
This
I know, I
story is
keep
about as
overjumping
deep as
it.
a bird bath.
Well, then it should be right up your alley.
Damn. Shots fired.
There we go.
Good job. Careful.
I know, I just gotta take it just slow and steady and bide my time. There we go. Oh, I was like, wait, is this the natural way to go, or do we?
I'm pretty sure it's the natural way because there's a crafting one.
I'm sorry if things aren't straightforward in video games. I'm like, where?
Glad this thing didn't burn down.
You okay?
Yeah, not X. Yeah, X. Jesus Christ. This one. Console.
Okay, I gotta hoop up some sticks for you.
What the hell?
Oh, these piranha fellas again. Go, go, Otomio!
Yep.
Come on, man.
Sorry, I got you. I got you.
Hurry! Next one!
Ooh, sorry. Just let me know when you're ready for the next one.
Ready. Ready.
I don't know what the next one is. Oh. Hold on.
Attacked it.
Okay.
No, but I can attack it.
Right! These bushes!
Ooh, that's a waterfall. Never mind. It goes down. Where are you? Oh. Mookie. Oh, you gotta get over there for me, or I. Ah. Oops. Yeah, you gotta lower that for me. I gotta jump up as monkey.
Work your tree magic, Zoe.
Work your tree magic.
Hey, do you ever go for walks in the forest?
Never. But there's a shady park 2 blocks from where I live.
Poor child.
I think you can jump over here now because I lowered this for you. Yeah. And now you gotta Groot up. Groot!
Oh, yeah, Groot!
Nice. Oh, this is pretty.
Okay. Now we can just walk. I don't like it. You can't jump as Groot.
That sucks.
Oh, snowball!
Oh, fuck.
Did they just
Oh,
throw
fuck,
poop
they're
at
throwing
me?
poop at me, yeah!
Who? Really?
Hit one.
This!
Hit one. Got the other one.
Losers!
Now they're bad as this.
For real.
You missed. Okay.
Fuck.
Don't try to juke me.
Yee, you can't hit me, you can't hit me. You can't hit me.
Aimbot activate.
Fuck
That's
you.
for slick. Actually, let's hit each other on purpose. 3.
Dodge this!
Okay, you can hit me.
Oh, it's on now.
How dare you? How dare you?
On God.
This part's so pretty. Oh fuck, there's more monkeys.
Yeah, hands up.
No, don't touch the log!
Oh shit. You had the RB up there.
Okay, this is the trial to gain an audience with the Monkey King.
Sure, let's rise to the occasion.
Trial, you say? Okay. Okay. Well, we got it now. Dear God. Okay. Okay. So it's this one first. Second, third. First one, get to the first one. There we fucking go. Jesus fucking Christ.
Why'd you ask?
That's
Let's just say that now is not the time
we're
for clams.
we're stupid as
Is it
shit.
ever?
I'm sorry, everybody.
That's okay. It's all that's all gonna be cut out because it was 30 minutes of just unentertaining yelling.
I'm so sorry. That was half my fault, and half just the game.
And my fault.
No.
I know, because I led us astray for like
What the?
I led us astray on that puzzle for like 30 minutes.
Traps. The throne room
Okay,
of the
anyways.
Great Monkey King is right up ahead.
Oh wow.
Be on your
She's so
best
sassy
behavior,
with the
please.
wings.
I promise I'll try.
I was a fairy. Oh, you can't fly?
Oh, that sucks. Monkey.
Wabba-da-boo-boo!
Oh, I love this part.
Oh,
Witness the eighth wonder of the world, the Pinky Ring Bling, the King of Sting, the Monkey King.
nice. I love his vibe.
Did not expect that.
Anyone who wishes to pass through my lands must first prove themselves worthy. And so, your fate will be decided on the dance floor.
What? But I can't dance!
Your monkey can.
DJ, drop the music.
Hell yeah. I think it's gonna have us like do Dance Dance Revolution where we match.
Match my moves.
Okay. Oh, I see. So jump, and back to center.
Fantastic. Great focus. Let's add some
Okay, so it's just whatever lights up.
We've got. It's Simon Says.
Ah.
Alrighty, let's turn it up.
Green, red, blue, green. Green, red, blue. Back to green.
Then center, then
Yeah.
Can you see these colors?
barely.
See it?
Practice
Like
does
these
make
are
perfect.
these are like colors.
I think you're catching
But yeah.
Dance floor is more colorful than these things.
Mass is a bit colorblind, so yeah, he has a hard time. So yellow, red.
Oh God.
Okay, you stop. You had to be confused there. God damn it. Okay. Yellow, red. Back to yellow, then blue. Center.
No, that's not what I should do.
Here, so, yeah, just follow my lead, and I'll lead
I'm
you.
just gonna follow you.
Yeah. Okay, so corner, upper right corner, back to lower left, then to this corner. Fuck.
Come on, where's the passion?
Wait, what? Yeah. Wait. So you can see yellow, red, yellow, blue, red. Oh, I didn't do it timely enough. That's why. Okay, just you had the first half. So just corner, upper corner, lower corner, other lower corner, up, back to center. You missed it. You missed one. You didn't go to red. You didn't go to the.
I did. I'm so sorry, y'all. My eyes are messing with me.
Lower left, back to upper right, back to lower left, lower right, upper right.
You need to hit your marks.
Oh, because you're colorblind.
Oh my God.
Okay,
Lower left.
lower left,
Center.
upper, yes, back to center, upper right. Oh fuck, I fucked up this time. I was looking at your screen.
No, try again.
I'm following your screen. Please, I'm not following you. I'm following your screen.
Well, I'm looking at you to make sure you're doing it right. Yeah. So lower left, upper right, back to lower left, lower right, back. Oops. I jumped. That was you. Actually, you had it right this time. I fucked up because I didn't aim my stick right. Okay, yeah, we get it. You got it. You got it though. And back to center. There you go.
I'd be a great instructor.
We should have had this colorblind optimized.
Demand skill to mirror the king. But can
I think they do. I think all games have to.
Can you feel that? What's happening? Our bodies! They match the rhythm! I can't stop dancing!
They're like Asian monkeys, I think.
Bring all my monkeys to the dance floor.
Oh, bring them to the dance floor.
Like fabulous snakes.
Oh yeah. Oh, I get all the pink ones. You get all the green ones. Obviously. Oh yeah. Straight conga. Oh, I dispersed your monkeys. I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, that's right. Then we have to get to the... Ooh. It's like Snake. You have to not run into your own tail. Shit. You're good, you're good, you're good. I'm gonna start up top, you start at bottom. Sorry for my monkeys. My monkeys! Yep, and then, yeah. I can't, your monkeys are all over the fucking place. I'm gonna wait till you get all your monkeys in a row. and then I'll traverse that corner. Okay, I'm going there now. Fuck. Oh, damn. Okay, I'll wait till you collect all your monkeys. Okay. I'm coming. Oops. Someone fucked up their monkeys. Sorry, I'll try to keep mine in a circle. Oh, your monkeys, they're in distress.
I don't play snakes like that.
Got my monkeys in a row, got my monkeys in a row. There you go. Okay, I gotta collect. Oh, shit. I fucked you up because your monkey straggled along. I'm sorry. Yeah, just don't stay in the pink rectangle at all. Just try your best. 'Cause I gotta. your monkeys are out of the control. Here, hold on. Careful.
Behind me, little monkeys!
It's so hard because you've got a long tail. Get your monkeys in a row. Get your monkeys in a row.
I can't. Otherwise, my monkeys will be dispersed. You got it. There you go.
Oh my god, the conga line is so hard. When you look at that from the top down.
Hardest fucking line. Hardest fucking section ever.
Now let's get freaky.
Freaky.
Let's get the groovy. Let's disco.
Disco.
Strike
Oh
it.
yeah. Now it is.
Come on.
Follow the king!
Do you
Oh,
feel
okay, I
it?
see.
Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Huh? Do you feel it? I'll dazzle you when you
I didn't get to look at all the
dazzle
poses
me.
before you stopped. My bad.
And left, right, up, psychedelic.
Just gotta follow his movement.
Lift, up, down. You're so cool looking.
Nice.
Now that was slick. Let's turn up the heat and make it hot like the Arabian desert. As sweet as dates.
I tried belly dancing once.
I'm not surprised.
Focus. Focus, Mia,
Oh, yeah,
focus.
dude. It's still electric.
Yeah.
And right. That's it. Fantastic, Habibi. And let up. Right. Shimmy, shimmy, shake.
That was the easiest one.
Yeah, that's
Allow
easier
me.
than freaking.
But you can't dance if you can't
Break dance.
Let's go. Oh yeah, the bomb, homie. The bomb, homie.
Don't lose the flare.
Oh, God, I need a stretch.
Yep.
And down. Then
Oh, you fucked up. You fucked up. You had to wiggle it.
Get off me!
and up. Right. It's not it.
Hey, no scratching!
You can't fuck up. You can't fuck up.
And up.
Okay,
Look, he's doing down.
He did do down. The second move, he did down.
And down. Right. Down.
There you go.
And right. Up.
Right?
Why would you disrespect me?
This monkey king does not like
He
you.
hates me.
And up. Left. Up. Yeah.
Punches me.
That's gonna be the dance of the century.
For fucking up the most.
You got some moves too,
Are
King.
you, I just got a whiplash moment.
Now,
Are you rushing?
go
or
and
are you
save
dragging?
the Underlands and end the Ice King's reign. High five.
Needs.
Down low. Too slow.
All right,
Ice
bastard.
King now.
That was brilliant.
You're crazy.
Let's go this way. Oh, and by the way, for someone who can't dance, you sure brought some sick moves.
Yep, because I did better than you.
Mio?
She had a very
Was that it?
yearnful face. Huh?
Was that it?
So,
Okay.
you're into dancing.
Ooh.
I was actually quite the promise back in the day, you know.
We'll end it
Should've seen
right
me.
here
What happened?
for now, but
Well,
we'll be back
I
for
did it
more.
professionally
Signing
for a
out.
while, but then
Sign out.